everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I do have an unboxing today, a ThredUp unboxing. This is the 30-pound mixed sizes denim box. As you saw by the thumbnail, ThredUp has been doing some new branding. It seems like the polka dots are gone. This is the first box that I've gotten where it was not in a polka dotted box. This is just a plain brown box. This is just a plain brown box. As you can see, it is already partially open because it appears that the tape does not stick well to these boxes. So hopefully everything is okay in here. I did pay for this box with credits. I am somebody that sells on ThredUp. It was $40.08, I believe. I did have a coupon for free shipping, which definitely helps. This one took a little while to get here. I ordered a shoe box. That one was here, I think, within like 4 days. This one took a little over a week. As far as what I'm hoping is not in this box, I don't really want a whole bunch of shorts right now. It is currently like the middle of October. People are now transitioning, even though it is still pretty warm in some places in the country, but I would prefer, obviously I'd prefer good brands and good styles in every piece. But we all know that that is not really how ThredUp works. If you are new to ThredUp, you've never heard of it before, it is essentially an online thrift store. People send their clothes in, ThredUp does all the work, they take the pictures, the measurements, they make the listings, and then people can buy the items. They deeply discount items. So it's definitely something to check out if you've never seen it before. With that being said, what is in this box will be items that maybe have damage. There could be holes, broken zippers, stains. It could just be that the size tag has been removed, or it could be items that were on the website and then they just timed out after however long the agreement was to have them listed, and then they get thrown in these boxes. So it's really kind of a surprise on what's going to be in here. I see they are still using their tissue paper as of now, so maybe that will change. Okay, first up, not too excited. This is a pair of Madewell. These are maternity skinny. I guess I didn't know that Madewell made maternity pants. As far as condition goes, there's maybe a little bit of puckering here. They're a size 27. I will look at comps on these just because maternity does okay in like better known brands, I guess you could say, as opposed to like Target type brands. So I'll look at these. I can maybe pull some money from this. If there are better items in here, I will probably just send this right back to ThredUp. Gloria Vanderbilt, these will definitely be going right back. They are just a pair of women's shorts. So this is from the brand Revice. I don't know that brand. The tag makes me think it could be something decent. It's in kind of like this acid wash, which I feel like isn't as popular as it was like a couple years ago, but I think there might be a stain on the butt here. These are pretty on trend. There is quite a bit of distressing, which I feel like has also kind of had its day. These I'm going to put in my pile to look up. If they are not, oh, now I'm seeing this. This has definitely been extended in the distressing. I don't believe that that was supposed to be like that. I will see if I can look up a stock photo because there are some jeans that are made like that. I've had a couple pairs of Good American jeans that were like that. So this is a look up. Universal Thread. These are just skinny jeans. These will probably just get donated. Okay, I'm okay with these so far, as long as there's no issues. This is a pair of Mother jeans. I've been seeing quite a few people getting Mother jeans in these boxes, so I don't know what's going on there, if the popularity is just kind of going down a little bit with the brand. These are the style, the Trickster Skimp Fray. They are a size 27, I think. 26. So these are the Mother Superior. I don't know a lot about Mother jeans because I just personally, I don't find them ever. I don't think I've ever found them in thrift stores near me. So as long as these are okay, I can't tell if that is dirty or if that's part of the wash. The wash was called Thrill Seeker. It appears to also kind of be the same over here. So I will see, maybe they just need to get washed, but if these are supposed to be like that, or I can get that staining out, I would assume that this would pay for the box. The box was 40 bucks. Okay, so this is a denim jacket. Size small. I'm not really seeing a brand. Oh, it's Shein. So this I will probably send to Plato's Closet. I don't know. It looks like it could be dirty. There is some distressing on the sleeves, which my location with Plato's Closet, distressing really is not what they're looking for. But since it's minimal, I probably will try that there. These have seen better days. This is Gap, the legging jean. I'm probably just going to redonate these. I'm not even going to send these back to ThredUp because I don't think that they will sell and they're in poor quality. This is J brand. This used to be a pretty popular brand like during the COVID times. They appear to be skinny. I'm not seeing, oh, size 26. We'll see. So these are button flied. They are exposed like that, but then they do kind of have like this almost like sailor button look. So I might look into the style on this one. I might be able to put some keywords that could sell these for maybe like 18. Once again, depending on what else is in here, if it's worth my time to list them. This is Wit and Wisdom. I never like seeing white in any type of mystery box because more than likely they are going to be stained. I already see some staining up here. They're small size to a size 4. Wit and Wisdom kind of reminds me of Democracy. They might be part of the same brand. There's some more staining on the back. So if anything, this might just get thrown in the wash, see what happens, and maybe go back to ThredUp. This is a pair of Joe's jeans, another brand that was very popular a couple years ago. These are from 2022. I'm not seeing a style tag on them. They appear to be like more of a wide leg. So these I think I could list as long as there are no issues. I don't know if this was... The only issue I'm seeing here is this looks kind of wonky. So I don't know if these were cut or if this was intentional to the style. This one was kind of folded over. So, I mean, there is a style number in there, so I will look that up and just see what these are supposed to look like. These are a pair of Gap shorts, the low stride short in a size 14. These aren't the worst. If anything, these might go to Plato's. I will look up comps on these just because they are a bigger size. That sometimes can, you know, push me in the direction to want to list it because you might be able to get a little bit more. Another pair of shorts. These are from Universal Thread, the high-rise midi. These will just go to Plato's. Gloria Vanderbilt. These, I don't know if this would even be worth me sending back to ThredUp. I probably will just donate these. I'd say we're about halfway through. I'm like so-so with the box. I really wasn't expecting a lot. I'm happy with the mother jeans so far. This is Old Navy high-rise loose. These will go to Plato's. They're kind of just like a loose baggy type fit jean. I do sell Old Navy on my own. I just don't really sell pants, jeans. They sit way too long for me. And I like the fast cash of just selling them to Plato's. These are from Gap. They're from 2018, so they're kind of dated, and so is the style. They are a size 27. It's that, like, I don't know, color blocking jean that was pretty popular for a while. I don't think I'm going to sell these on my own. There appears to maybe be some bleach stains here. I will probably throw them in the wash, just see. Yeah, I don't even think Plato's is going to take these. It's just, that's pretty dated. So if I can get them cleaned up, I'll just maybe send them back to ThredUp. This is NY&C boot cut. I probably will not sell these myself. I don't know this brand. If this is a brand that is eligible for payouts on ThredUp, I will send them there. I could try these at Plato's too. Sometimes brands aren't always what they're looking for, and they're looking for style, and boot cut is what they like. Calvin Klein jeans, size 24 by 30. The high-rise straight. I can't really tell if they're dirty looking at the camera. There is some distressing, but these definitely look to be like not super worn. Normally when you have these knees, they become blown out after someone's washed them a couple times. Calvin Klein jeans, I don't think I've ever done well with. These are definitely dirty on the bottom. So I will throw these in the wash and look up comps. If they're not great, probably try Plato's first and then send these back to ThredUp if they don't take them. Another pair of Joe's jeans. These are part of the Phoebe collection, if that means anything. They are also from 2022, a size 26 in this grayish type tone. Once again, these do have a raw hem. These appear to maybe be intentional, just how straight that cut is, but same as the other ones. I'll look them up and see what comps look like. These are J. Crew, the Slim Boyfriend, size 29. They are from the fall of 2021. These are definitely dirty, I think, on the back. Unless that's an intentional wash to them. They just look grungy to me, which that could be the wash, so I don't know. I probably will throw these in the wash and see what they look like once it comes out. And these will probably go back to ThredUp if they look clean. These are from Loft. They are a size 2. The high waist, skinny ankle. These also appear to be kind of dingy, as you can tell. So once again, I'll throw them in the wash and then these will probably go back back to ThredUp. This is PacSun, the push-up jegging, size 24. So very tiny. Once again, not really a style people are looking for. If these were black, black skinny jeans, I do still sell just because I kind of throw those keywords in there like scene, emo. That's what those kids are looking for. Some other brands I will also sell in skinny jeans. It really depends on the brand and the size. These are a pair of Levi's. They are the Baggy Dad, the premiums, the size 25. If these are in decent shape, I will definitely sell these. This is a good style. So I'm not really worried about making my money back on this box. Like I said, that pair of mother jeans, if those are good to go, that will pay for this for sure. I'm just not making too much profit, I don't think, because a lot of this so far, I'm not even listing. So we'll keep going. Just from what I can see in there, I don't have high hopes, but we'll see. These appear to be completely blown out. These are Paige. I don't know why they keep making their jeans like this. If you can see here, that whole ribbon there that is completely puckered. These will just get donated. These could maybe be okay. For Love of Denim, but love is spelled L-U-V. I've never heard of it. These are the vintage straight ankle in a size 14. They appear to be more of like a baggy wash. I don't know. These look like they could be cut. So I need to look up this brand. If anything, I think Plato's would take this just based on the style. These are Kendall and Kylie, some sort of skinny jean that feel absolutely horrible. These are Guess jeans in this like seafoam mint 2016 called, and we're not answering. Okay, so these are some sort of skinny. I don't think I will do anything with these, probably donate. Another pair of Joe's jeans. These are a size 28, the high-rise skinny. There's definitely puckering here in the butt. So those will probably just get donated. All right, last two pairs. Bold Elements. I have never heard of this brand. They appear to have like a comfort waistband. Size 16 in, I don't know, like a capri. Probably just donate those. And the last pair. J. Crew High Rise Skinny, size 24. So these I might list. Like I said, black skinny jeans, they do okay for me as long as you use the right keywords. Let's see what year these are from. I'm not even seeing an interior tag. Oh, here we go. I think these are pretty old. Yeah, these don't have the tag anymore with the date. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy am I with this box? Probably a 5. I did not have high hopes going into this. ThredUp is definitely hit or miss. I just got a good shoebox, so actually 2 of them in a row. So I guess it was probably my turn to get not a great box. It is definitely going to be a mystery to what you get, and my expectations are just, you know, you get what you get, and I'm not going to be mad about it. If I wouldn't have gotten those mother jeans, I would have been disappointed. But like I said, that will pay for the box and then some. Those Levi's are decent. There's a couple other things in here. I need to look up the brands. Even if I make, you know, $20, $25 at Plato's, I'm completely fine with that as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys thought. Have you gotten denim boxes recently and how have they been? And have you gotten a pair of mother jeans? Because like I said, I keep seeing them in people's boxes. So I don't know what's going on with that. And as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a like. It really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.